Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Anne, and I know I've been MIA for a little bit, but I am back on with a project share. And I thought I'd do a quick tutorial only because I really like to see how people create their embellishments. I think it helps me kind of like put my own twist to things. So I've been working with the Maggie Holmes Willow collection, and I finally got to cut into this paper. And I don't know if it's just me, but although I kind of like always obsess about Maggie Holmes collections, until I actually use it and cut it and make projects with it, I don't really fall in love with it until I use it. So I'm really excited to get into this. I've had it for a while, and this is what I've created. So I didn't get to do much of Valentine's this year, so I thought that, I could make some of these heart embellishments. I think that there is something like this in her collection with tassels. I have been gifted this, what is this called? Prim Hearts from Spellbinders from my friend Mad Stamper 64, Olga. And I've been dying to use this set, so I thought this was the perfect project for this. So you can basically use any of your nesting dies and, kind of just layer this up. And these are such cute embellishments. And I added a little pom-pom trim, a little word sticker, some enamel dots, and I do have tassels, but I also had purchased these floral tassels from Ally, and I'll link that down below. And I have been dying to use this, so I figured this was the perfect project for this. So here are my embellishments. I really love how they came out. This collection is stunning. So, and I got to use a lot of different colors. My pom-pom trims, I'm trying to just be more mindful and just use some of the stuff I have in my stash. So I thought I'd come and show you my process and how I put it together. Basically, you do need some pom-pom trim. These are some of my pom-pom trims. I pulled out different colors for this project, but this is a chipboard tag that I got from Michael's from the Hot Buy, and this is how I store my trim. We cut out two of the medium size in the set. I didn't want it to be so big, so I have 110-pound cardstock in this pink color. The Michaels version happens to be my favorite 110-pound cardstock. I'm sure there are other brands, but this is the most sturdiest. I like my embellishments to be nice and sturdy, and not like flimsy. So I cut out two of these, and then I have the smaller nesting heart in this paper, and then I did also cut it out in a pink foam. You'll need some kind of embellishment just to put on the bottom. I have my tassel. I already pre-cut my pom-pom trim, and you'll need a jump ring. I have some various different enamel dots just to add onto the side. A word stickers, and this is from the Small Talk from Tim Holtz. And I have my favorite glue, art glitter glue, and two of these tools to assist with the jump ring. So I'm just going to show you how I put together. Just going to use some glue. Just kind of assemble this. Oh, I did also forget to mention that you'll need something to punch the hole. So I will be using my, what is this called? Crocodile. I'm just going to put this top layer together. And I just like to glue everything first. I'm going to glue this onto the foam for dimension. And just a tip for the foam, you just want to pass it through once. The foam tends to expand as you squish it down in the die cutting machine. So the less times you crank it through, the less it expands. So just a little tip. I know that that has been helpful for me. Just trying to press it down so the glue sticks nice and firm onto this foam. And then I'm going to stick this onto my larger heart. Just slap some glue on here. No rhyme or reason. And I'm just going to make a little room on the bottom so I can put the jump ring in. Okay. Just right there. I'm just going to center it a little bit. Okay. Voila. Punch. The hole is, I think it's the 1/8. And I'm just going to punch a hole in the bottom. Right on the tip of the heart. Okay, just like that. And then I am going to take my 2 little tool pieces here to just open up this jump ring. Insert, link it onto the heart, and then close up the jump ring. This is a tip that I learned from my friend Olga. If you sway it back and forth, they will align. Okay. There we go. Okay. And then I am going to glue on this little heart on the bottom. Or actually, let me do the pom-pom trim. So I have my handy dandy glue gun. And I'm just going to get my little finger here, just so I don't burn myself. It's just going to apply the glue. And then lay down the pom-pom trim right on the top part of this heart, stretching it out so it can lay flat. And just like that. And then I'm just going to pick my word sticker. I have this little word sticker here. It says make a wish. I'm just going to add some hot glue onto this, just so it adheres to the pom-pom trim. There we go. Okay. And then I'm just going to adhere this little patch heart on the bottom of this little layer here. Just because it's hearts, hearts, hearts. Okay. And now the last part is the enamel dots. I just like to add a little bit on the side. I do like to add a little glue only just because I feel like they're not always 100% sticky. So I am just going to dab a little bit of glue. Pick a little enamel dot. Just add it on here on top of the little glue. If it oozes out, smush it with your finger. There's no rhyme or reason to this. Let me go a little bit bigger with this one. I always like to do a cluster of 3. I think that's like the formula for the right amount of enamel dots, in my opinion. And then I'm just going to add another little purple one on the side right here. And that is it. See how cute that is? I am seriously obsessed, and it really made me kind of just like fall in love with this paper collection. I hope this tutorial and project share was helpful, and I have many, many more to come. I've been kind of on a creative fire, and this collection has really, given me so much inspiration. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.